Hi guys, NASCAR driver Tyler Hill, and I'm excited to be at Hair Club today where they're going to help me get my hair back. Well, coming in, everybody was super nice coming in through the door, welcoming, and I never felt more accepted coming into a place as I did coming in here today. And in the cutting, it was just in anticipation of what's going to happen, and the result was just everything I could expect. My expectations have been well exceeded. I'm super happy with the way everything turned out, and I tell you what, I was blown away by what I saw and the different looks that y'all were able to provide for me, and we settled on this one, and I love it.
Here at the St. Louis Hair Club today, NASCAR driver Tyler Hill. We just gave him his hair back. What do you think?
Awesome job, guys. Absolutely awesome. If you think you need a little confidence boost or you just want to try out a new look, Hair Club's got the option for you.